Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by blocking in proportions, a small oval for the head and a larger teardrop for the body. Once drawn, place a light center line to set tilt and balance, then mark the wing pivot and beak direction so shapes align. Use soft, loose strokes, 5 to 2 mm pressure, so you can refine later. This establishes scale and posture quickly, and it prevents heavy erasing. Make sure to check negative space between body and beak to maintain accurate spacing before refining. Now refine the wings and beak with purposeful lines. Start the primary wing by drawing a long, graceful curve for the top edge, then add layered feather guides underneath to show depth. Next, sketch a slender, slightly downturned beak and connect it cleanly to the head oval. This creates the hummingbird's characteristic profile. Add short fan-shaped tail feathers and indicate overlap where feathers meet the body. Once done, erase internal construction lightly and adjust feather spacing so the wing looks aerodynamic. Finish with details and subtle shading to bring your hummingbird to life. Add a small eye and throat patch. Use short, varied pressure strokes for feather texture so it reads realistic rather than mechanical. Shade the belly and wing roots with light cross-hatching to suggest volume. Blend sparingly to keep a textured look. Darken key outer edges for clarity, then carefully erase remaining construction lines. If proportions feel off, compare head-to-body ratio and adjust the neck curve. Minor tweaks fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.